Kribi Deep Seaport project is located at Maboro Village, which is approximately 35 kilometers to the south of Kribi City in the southern province of the Republic of Cameroon. The total throughput capacity of the port will exceed 100 million tons per year, and the port will be developed into a large container transit port and comprehensive hub port of Central Africa and West Africa areas. In recent years, Cameroon's economy has grown stably. The Cameroon government has stipulated an ambitious long-term development plan in 2009 to develop Cameroon into an emerging economy by 2035. With the development of the economy and port-based industrial zone in Kribi area, the port throughput will be hugely increased and exceed the capacity of the existing port. Therefore, the government of Cameroon has decided to construct the Kribi Deep Seaport. Kribi port-based industrial zone has a total planned land use of 260 square kilometers and a shoreline of approximately 30 kilometers. The rich natural resources of Cameroon, such as iron ore, aluminum ore, oil and natural gas, etc., will be used to develop relevant industries. Ports, logistic parks, and basic industrial bases will be constructed. And finally form an emerging industrial city with a population of approximately 80,000. The planned general port area of the Kribi Deep Seaport is about 8.55 square kilometers. The total length of the berths is 6.4 kilometers. The planned total number of berths is about 20. The general port area will be constructed in 3 phases. In Phase 1, 1 container berth and 1 multi-purpose berth will be constructed. In Phase 2, 2 container berths, 2 hydrocarbon berths, and 2 bulk cargo berths will be constructed. In Phase 3, about 12 berths will be constructed at the north part for future development. Thus, the port can satisfy the loading and unloading of various cargoes, such as container, bulk cargo, general cargo, and hydrocarbon. To the south of general port area, the specialized ports for LNG and iron ore will also be constructed. The total investment in the Phase 1 project of the Kribi Deep Seaport is 498 million US dollars, including 75 million US dollars provided by the Cameroon government and 423 million US dollars a preferential buyer's credit loan provided by the Export-Import Bank of China. This is a demonstration of the friendship and cooperation between China and Cameroon. 8 studies have been carried out by consultants committed by the Cameroon government, who has been executing the earthworks and renovating the access road for the project. Also, the government has formulated various preferential measures and policies for the participants, including the tax-free policy and those facilitating the custom clearance and authorities review. The Phase 1 project is an EPC project and will be implemented by China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, CHEC, including 1 container berth of 50,000 DWT, 362 meters long, and -16 meters of design water depth. 1 general berth of 40,000 DWT, 308 meters long, and -16 meters of design water depth. 1 breakwater of approximately 1,210 meters length and temporary revetment and slope protection of 1,704 meters. 3.2 million cubic meters dredging at turning basin and navigation channel with a bottom elevation of -15.0 meters. 309,000 square meters of total land area to be formed by land backfilling and foundation treatment. 9,600 square meters of housing construction. The port will also be equipped with a large amount of loading and unloading equipment and supporting facilities such as quayside container gantry crane, multi-purpose crane, portal crane, rubber-tired gantry crane, container reach stacker, portal crane, etc. After the completion of the Phase 1 project, the area will become a fully functional port area, achieving an annual throughput capacity of 250,000 TEU of containers and 1.2 million tons of general cargo. The Phase 1 project will be started in 2011 and is expected to be completed in 2014. After the project is put into operation, the annual tax revenue will be approximately $12.85 million and more than 2,000 new job opportunities will be created. The Kribi Deep Seaport will be developed into a large container transit port and comprehensive hub port of Central Africa and West Africa areas. It will be able to steadily improve Cameroon's strategic position in the international cargo transport market and will help Cameroon to achieve its target of being an emerging economy earlier.